Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds Moto Buds 270. And firstly, let me show you touch areas. It's located at the back side of each earbud. Right here we have Motorola logo. This one is touch area. Now let me play some song. So if you press one time at the left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. So I press one time, I just pause it, press again, and I play a song. Next, if you wanna play next track, you need to press two times at your right earbud. 1, 2, it works. If you press 3 times at your right earbud, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Next, also with the right earbud, you can call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant or maybe Gemini or Bixby. You need to press and hold at your right earbud. So press and hold, and as you can see, it works. Then we have the left earbud. If you press 2 times, you will enable ANC or transparency or normal mode. So I recommend it to put it to your ear and then press 2 times. Right now I have normal mode, so 1, 2, and I enable ANC, then again 1, 2. This is transparency mode, and 1, 2, normal mode. And you will hear a prompt here. Now, when somebody calls to you, you can answer the call by press 1 time at your left or right earbud. And if you want to reject the call, you need to press and hold at your left or right earbud. If you want to hold the call, you need to tap 1 time at your left or right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!